How'd they do that? How do engineers reuse rockets? By Arnold Ringstad. Chapter 1. A Thrilling Landing. It is a calm day at sea. The sky is blue. The waves are gentle. A wide, flat ship floats and bobs. A huge white X is painted on it. A special ship moves into position. The rocket arrives. High above the ship, a 120-foot, 38-meter rocket falls to Earth. Wind whips around it. The rocket drops like a stone. Suddenly, a bright flame shoots downward. A loud cracking sound rips through the air. Metal legs fold out. The rocket is ready to go back to land. It can be used again later. The rocket slows. It drops right on the painted X. The flame from its engine stops. The day is calm again. The ship will carry the rocket back to shore. Then engineers will help it launch again. Chapter 2. Rockets at Work. Rockets are vehicles. They travel into space. Some carry satellites. Others carry people. All rockets use propellant. The engines burn it. Hot gases shoot out of the engines. This moves the rocket forward. Rockets carry supplies to astronauts in space. The first rocket went to space in 1957. It launched from the Soviet Union. Since then, there have been many launches. Many rockets are used once. They run out of propellant. Then they fall to Earth. They crash into the ocean. New rockets must be built. This takes time and money. Reusable rockets are cheaper. Engineers inspect each rocket after it lands. This makes space travel safer. In the past, rockets were used just once. Atlantis was the last space shuttle used. Reusable rockets are not a new invention. Space shuttles are one example. They flew from 1981 to 2011. The shuttles had wings. They could land like airplanes, but they needed many repairs after each trip. They were very expensive. This was a problem. Engineers needed to find a solution. Tons of tiles. Each space shuttle had more than 21,000 tiles. The tiles protected the shuttle from heat. Workers had to look at each one before every flight. Chapter 3. The Falcon 9. The company SpaceX designs reusable rockets. Elon Musk started SpaceX in 2002. He is a businessman. He wants to make space travel cheaper. His goal was to make reusable rockets. SpaceX rockets have launched from Texas, Florida, and California. SpaceX engineers studied how to do this. They made the Falcon 9 rocket. It has 9 engines. The engines push the rocket into space. Then the rocket turns around. The engines slow down the rocket. Small fins help steer. The Falcon 9 also has sturdy legs for landing. It comes back safely to Earth. The Falcon 9 weighs more than 1 million pounds, 450,000 kilograms. SpaceX has also safely landed rockets on land. Standing steady. A rocket's engines can easily break. Sturdy metal legs support the rocket. The rocket stays steady. This keeps the engines safe. They can be used again. SpaceX tested the Falcon 9 for years. Some rockets crashed. The company made history in 2015. A Falcon 9 launched from Florida. It delivered satellites into space. Then the rocket turned around. It fired its engines. Its fins steered. Flame shot from its center engine. The rocket slowed down. Its legs unfolded. It landed safely on the ground. Falcon 9 was the first rocket to do this. Chapter 4. Rockets of the Future. Reusable rockets are the future. The Falcon 9 is just the beginning. Other companies are joining SpaceX. They are making their own reusable rockets. SpaceX. SpaceX is working on new rockets. They will be bigger than Falcon 9. One will have 31 engines. It will carry 100 people into space. Elon Musk wants to use his rockets to start a city on Mars. Blue Origin. Jeff Bezos is another businessman. He is also interested in space. His rocket company is Blue Origin. It made the New Shepard rocket. New Shepard is smaller than the Falcon 9. It does not fly as high. It is not as fast, but it is much less expensive. Safety first. Reusable rockets can be dangerous. New Shepard has a passenger capsule. The capsule has small engines. They can get the capsule to safety. They might stop a crash. Blue Origin wants many people to travel to space. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is another rocket company. It made Spaceship Two. An aircraft carries Spaceship Two high in the air. Then Spaceship Two lights its rocket engine. It boosts into space. Passengers spend a few minutes there. Then the ship lands like an airplane. Engineers are hard at work. They are improving rockets. New rockets will be cheaper. They will carry more people. They may even fly people to Mars. Spaceship Two can carry passengers and 2 pilots.